Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Rycvaky XLR cables, specifically the 15-foot 10-pack. These are marketed as heavy-duty, oxygen-free copper, 3-pin balanced, shielded XLR male to female microphone cables, designed for everything from recording studios and speakers to PA systems, audio mixers, and more. Right off the bat, the description highlights their focus on superior high fidelity. They achieve this with an oxygen-free copper conductor, which is standard for good audio cables, but they also boast multiple layers of anti-EMI RFI shielding. This includes cotton, copper, carbon fiber, a 6mm high soft PVC jacket, and a PE coating. The claim is that this combination effectively shields against 99% of clutter and static interference, eliminating noise and ensuring high-fidelity sound quality. They even state it achieves maximum hum cancellation, and the signal remains clear and strong even when the cables are moved around. That's a big promise for a multi-pack like this. Looking at the connectors, they're described as premium quality. The balanced XLR connector itself is made of a heavy-duty alloy material, which should provide good hardness and optimal connectivity. The 3-pin connector pins are made of copper, offering resistance to oxidation and corrosion, which is important for longevity, especially if these are used in different environments. A practical feature mentioned is the self-locking design on the heavy-duty metal connectors. This self-locking mechanism helps ensure a higher quality of sound by maintaining a secure connection. They are also designed to be very easy to plug and unplug, offering a simple plug-and-play experience for connecting microphones to 3-pin XLR devices. Compatibility is key with audio cables, and these are described as professional standard XLR male to female cables compatible with equipment that has 3-pin XLR connectors. This covers a wide range of gear like wireless mics, preamps, studio harmonizers, digital audio mixers, phantom power, mixing boards, patch bays, speaker systems, and stage lighting. So, they seem quite versatile for various professional audio setups. Finally, the availability options are quite extensive. While we're looking at the 15-foot 10-pack here, Rycvaky offers these cables in lengths from 6 feet all the way up to 250 feet. They also come in various pack sizes, including 1-pack, 2-pack, 6-pack, and this 10-pack. They even offer colored options in the multi-packs for easier color matching and tracking in complex setups. A nice bonus is that the cables come with 5 Velcro straps to help organize them, which is always appreciated to avoid a tangled mess. Overall, they are presented as high-speed, noise-canceling, balanced, durable, and flexible cables.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.